Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Color Me Exotic here. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. If you guys would like to see this beautiful yellow glitter and butterfly set, then just keep watching. Okay, so starting off with this video, I'm going to start with my big hand prep, and today I'm going to be adding in the thumb. I usually don't do the thumb because it's like a waste of products when you're practicing, but I thought today I'll go ahead and do the thumb. So I have this yellow glitter acrylic that I made up myself. I was going to make a TikTok about it, but it didn't happen. But yeah, I just mixed up some glitter and some pigments to make that acrylic. But jumping right in, y'all know I don't waste no time. So I'm going in with my Long Hair Pretty Nails number 12 brush. And I'm just going to be placing this glitter onto the nail. And it was a little hard to work with, but I made it work, you know. I got it all up in there and I just made an even layer across the whole nail. I am going to be encapsulating this, so you just want a nice thin even layer over the whole nail with the glitter. There's no rhyme or reason to how you should be placing it on your nail. Do what is good for you, okay, girl? Whatever works for you, do that. And once I get this nail how I want it, I'm going to do the same exact thing for my thumbnail. Okay, so we're off to a good start. So now for this third nail, it's going to be a full glitter nail. So I'm going to use that glitter acrylic to cover the whole nail. And I am, again, going to be encapsulating. So you want to I'm just going to put a thin, even layer of this acrylic across the whole nail. I just wanted to say that I really appreciate all of you guys that's been watching my videos. When I go through my analytics, I do see that there's a couple of you that rewatch my videos, that are subscribed and that really support me, and I just want to say thank you. You guys motivate me to post. Like sometimes I really become unmotivated to post, but you guys really do motivate me, and I just want to say thank you so much. Okay, y'all, so with this nail, we're going to be doing a little bit of geography, you know. So with this yellow acrylic, we're going to kind of make like a 90-degree triangle. It's not really 90-degree because your cuticle area is not a square, but it's going to be like a diagonal. So you're going to see what I'm doing. I'm just placing the acrylic and then I'm going to use my brush to shape it into that triangular shape that I want it to be. It's really hard for me to explain it, but just watch what I do. And now I got that section the way I want it. I'm going to go in with this gold foil and I'm going to just apply some clear acrylic, and I'm going to place this gold foil right along that line of where the yellow meets the clear basically, and then the rest is going to be clear. So yeah. I be trying to, use my creativities when I do these sets. And I feel like as I go on, my creativity will show more in my videos. Sometimes I get a little bit timid thinking about what would you guys like to see? Are they really going to like that? But I will try to show my creativity more and do more articulate designs in my videos. But I got that how I want it, and now I'm going on to the final nail. And I believe this is going to be a French tip nail. Yes. So I'm going to be using my little French guides to make this French tip. I don't know why. I just wanted to make my life so much easier, y'all, by using this. But I'm going to place it on the nail. And I wish I would have placed it a little bit higher, so that way I could have had a deeper French tip. But it's okay. It still looks good or whatever, but I'm placing this on the nail, and what I'm going to be using this as is a guide to place down my acrylic, so that way I can create a perfect French. But first I'm just going to apply the yellow acrylic to the tip of my nail. All right, y'all, and this is what the nails are looking like with just the yellow acrylic. And let me say, I think they look bomb, okay? And I cannot wait till they're finished and you guys can see the final result, even though you already seen it, but you know what I'm saying. The process and then the result after is so much better than just seeing the result, period, okay? But what I'm going in with is my Cover Beige Me and Secret acrylic. Y'all know I love this. This is my day one, my go-to nail bed color, and I'm just going to be using this to make an ombre into this yellow glitter acrylic. And I'm going to do the same thing for my pinky and the thumbnail. I don't think I showed you guys me doing it onto the thumbnail, but I did. Yeah, so just watch me go ahead and work. And guys, you see how I'm pushing my acrylic towards the cuticle area? That's what you want to do on an actual real client as well. When it's time to place your cuticle bead, you don't want to place it right at the cuticle. You want to place it a little bit ways away from the cuticle, and then use your brush to gently push it towards the cuticle and let the acrylic fill that area, because you don't want any flooding or anything like that. And when you're doing an ombre, if you add too much acrylic, just use your brush, swipe it off, and then blend it into the other color. It's no big deal. Don't stress about it. You got this. Like, I'm a beginner myself, and I am self-taught, so if I can do it, you can do it, okay? We all can do it, okay? Period. Okay, and now onto this French tip. Now, again, remember I said previously that I wish I would have made the French tip go up a little bit deeper into the nail, but it's okay because it still looks fine. But I'm going to be using my Mia Secret acrylic to go ahead and fill in that whole cuticle area and create my French line with this acrylic. I wouldn't say this process was difficult because I did have the outline of where I would need to stop the acrylic and everything. So I do feel like it helped me in the long run of making my cute French tip. But next time I'll just try to freehand it, because I usually don't do acrylic French tips. I usually paint them on, but because I was using this acrylic, I was like, okay, let's do it. And I didn't want to struggle too much, so that's why I went the easy way and I used the little sticker thing. But I think it came out fine all in all. I just wish it was a little bit deeper into the nail. But this is what it's looking like after I laid the acrylic and cleaned it up. I don't feel like it looks too bad. I feel like it's a really nice nail bed if the nail were to be, shorter. But it's still cute. And this is what the nail's looking like with all of the nail bed color laid down. and I went ahead and encapsulated off camera because I always do that. It's just a tedious, messy process sometimes, and I just don't think you guys want to see it. But let me know if you want to see me encapsulate and file on camera. But I'm going to go in with these gold stickers, and I'm going to be placing them on this middle finger right onto the clear part. I'm going to be placing, I believe, 2 stickers here, you know, just to fill it in, give it some extra padazzle, whatever. I love what this set look like at the end. Like, I feel like it's one of my top 5 sets that I've done since I started doing nails, and I really don't have a lot of favorites. Yeah. But I'm also going to be putting some on this full covered, not full cover. I'm also going to be putting some on this full glitter nail, and this is what it's looking like. So freaking pretty. And on this French tip nail, I'm going to go on with these little gold balls things that I got in this little clear case set. I just want to, you know, tie in the gold. I didn't want to use like regular rhinestones because I don't have any gold rhinestones, only the iridescent ones, and I didn't want to throw the whole set off. So I'm going to be going in with that rhinestone glue, and I'm going to put that around the entire perimeter of my French, and then I'm just going to place a little gold beads right along that line to basically conceal the line of my French tip. And then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, this is what the nails look like so far with no top coat, and they're bomb. Even if they were matte, they would be bomb. But I'm going to go on my D&D top coat. I don't really like this one because it leaves a tacky layer, and when you gotta wipe it with alcohol, it takes some of the shine away. But this is what I'm going to be using, and I brought you guys closer so you guys can see this glitter top coat mixed action. Like, do you see that? Okay, because who? But I'm going to be applying my top coat onto all the nails, and this is in real time. This first finger is in real time, y'all. I tried to put some parts of the video in real time, you know, to give y'all some real time action, because I know y'all like that. I believe I did every single one of these nails in real time. I just like chopped it up a little bit, you know, give y'all some real time action, especially with the top coat, because who doesn't love a nice top coat? Like, what? Look at the clarity of that clear. I kind of messed up. I got a little acrylic underneath, but that's okay. It's okay because it still looks bomb, and I did that, okay? I did that. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this onto here, and then once that's done, these nails are done. And boom. Y'all, these is so bomb. The best nails. I feel like not the best set that I've done, but I love the yellow glitter. I love the shape. I love the design. I love everything. I love the stickers. I did that. Okay, let me know what you like about this set down below. Let me know if you like it at all, and I'm gonna give you guys an outside shot. Look at that. Look at the sun glistening on the glitter. It's just amazing. But I want to thank you all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that way you're notified every single time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.